These are very decorative glass bulbs, stems, with a color stem that you stick into the potting mix. You add your water and place the silicone cover on. You can put liquid fertilizer or crystal fertilizer in with the water to self-water over time. They're made for various pots and sizes. Check online for further detail about the make and size you are looking for. We're going to show you the 4 crystal balls self-watering out of the box. We're going to show you pouring water inside, how simple it is, and closing up and sticking it in the potting mix. We're going to demonstrate in a large pot more than one ball. You have the options to simply put it in your plant, forget about watering for a number of days when you're on vacation, as they are timed. As you see in this video, the water dripping out at a very slow speed. I hope this is the product that you are looking for your plant needs. It is very decorative in style. It is a glass bulb. It is green, and it will water over time. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.